This is Disseminate. Hello, hello. This is Disseminate, and we are live now at. We want to show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy. So we are going to try to show you how to fix Exynos device, Samsung Galaxy A12, A13, even A14, any Exynos that display this message to show fingerprint protection fade. As you can see on the image is not clear. The image is not clear, but you can see now that the phone is displaying this. So this happens normally when you flash an upgraded a high binary of knox ROM on a device. For example, if you have A127 binary 6 official and you put inside A127 binary 9 Exynos, you will get what we call this error. You will get this error. So in this case, the device will require ESP pinout. The device will require ESP pinout. I sorry, that was one of my colleague technician who was greeting me. So if you have this device and a flash an upper binary, you will get this issue. So what you do is to get the right ESP pinout for your phone, and you connect ESP pinout. This procedure required to connect ESP pinout. Let me drag my camera and show you how it is done. You see, now the device is connected on box. This is a different model. The one I use to show you is not this one which is connected. So you open your tool. In the description of the video, I told you that you need to use it is Jtag which is recommended, but if you don't have a Jtag, you can still use your UEFI box. Yeah, it also works. So you open the tool, then you identify if the device is detecting. You see, device is detecting on this case. So what you have to do is you to back up security. We need to back up security. You read from device. Sorry for my camera. You see, in my case, I mainly use to backup only what I used to backup AFS and sec AFS. Then I put in a safe place in safe folder. Now let me create one wait on my PC. Let me create a folder. I use to rename device depending on customer. See, I'm creating a folder. I put backup here in this folder. You see, this is very sensitive. You need to back up security of your phone because after updating MMC, you erase everything. You erase everything. You erase EFS. You erase AFS. That was Jtag plus setup. So I go on Jtag tool. This time I'm going to try to update MMC. I'm going to try to update MMC. I go on MMC. Then I place detect to see if the phone is detecting. You see now the phone is detecting. Then I go to advanced. Then I back up the MMC firmware. I go to the same folder I used to save security. Then I put this MMC firmware. You see, this time this device shows that the firmware ID is wrong. So if we get to this case, firmware ID is wrong, changing mode, you need to pay much attention. You need to pay much attention. You need to go on MMC and check which type of MMC are you having. This here. This means we were supposed to use this same firmware to update, but in this case we will end up breaking the device. We need to go on MMC and check this. You see, let me address well my camera. This on MMC we have such a firmware name. So in my case, I go and check. Let me show you which device I'm having. It's not even very clear. Yeah, you see, KMDV 601 DNB. Yeah, this is very important. So we need to find the right MMC firmware to use, the correct one we need to use. So I think I have, because I've been using this method, these tools, I've kept. Let me navigate there on my PC. Then I go there. It is similar to this KMDV 601. The one I have is 1DB, but I have 1DA. This is compatible because DA and DB is about this is about the seed. So I may keep the seed because this one was not damaged. I keep the seed. Then I go down here. The language is not English, but I think you can see. No need to read. We need to. So I can even 1 minute. Then now MMC seems to be ready. You see, sending MMC firmware success, even seed success, repairing MMC seed is okay. CSSD is okay also. So you go next. You see, MMC firmware is update now. But here they told you, or even they tell you, it is a remark. They tell you, please don't forget to repair XCSD from backup, and also don't forget to configure boot size. The boot size here depend on the device you are working on. In our case, we are having Exynos. Let me show you in Jtag Plus where you can configure the boot. That is very important, because if you forget to configure the boot, you end up with a device not booting. And in some case, you may get USB not recognized. But for all the model, you can still use Chimera to fix the red boot part. This recent security 2024, even that is a 2023, you can still configure fix a boot using Chimera. So I go and then try to identify MMC. It is detecting. Let me show you. You see, sorry, camera is not very clear, but you can see here the boot configuration. Boot configuration, this line, you can see this is 000. So this means the phone cannot boot. Even if you write the BL, even the PIT from your file, it won't work. You have to go on MMC General, then you go on MMC config, then you click on Exynos. This is, and they fix, you see, now it is correct. You see an upper side now. Okay. So from then you need to write from write by vendor and I choose Samsung. Then you can load what? You will load PIT from normal file. Will load PIT from your file. Then you select the right model. Now I have A047 binary 4 here. Then you have also, you need to load the bed file. This is very important. You go downside here, you see, you go downside. Camera not very clear, sorry for that. I'm using a smartphone now. I think it looks pretty nice. So you need to untick this errors before flash. For for you not to forget the backup, you go, you load the backup you saved before operation, because now the FS is cleaned from the phone. The phone is no longer having the FS. I think you need to go here and then you load from the same folder. You load this FS. Mostly I use modified sec FS. This is normal for me. I'm no longer bringing the same sec FS I had before. Let me go and buy PC and load modified. See, so important sec, yeah. Then load the sec FS. So I needed to write. Remember, I brought back the backup I put inside. Um, we need to wait. We need to wait. We need to wait. We need to wait first. The procedure to do what? Um, to finish. So there I was checking some messages on WhatsApp. Sorry. So here you see the box ask, do you want to format your data partition? This I used to click no on it. You see again the message is coming back. They tell you check a boot config for the selected vendor. Vendor means if you are working on MTK, you need to use MTK boot config. If you are working on Exynos, you need to use Exynos boot config. So I think now I can disconnect the phone. When I disconnect, I'm going to get automatically, if nothing is wrong, if all diode or resistor or capacitor or resistor are okay, if everything is okay, I'm going to get download mode. I will be able to flash firmware directly into the phone. Because what I want you to understand here is that when you get this error, uh, when you get fingerprint protection failed, it is mandatory, it is a condition that you need to update MMC. But if you get why backup, why making a backup of MMC firmware and you get firmware ID is wrong, don't use that same MMC firmware because you will end up breaking your phone. You need to get a clean. Some of them are paid 5 USD or even depending on technician, you may get it for free. I think if you get chance, you can join our forum or our WhatsApp group for easy information. So automatically, let me show you the result of this phone, so that we continue to the next video. Let me plug this. Then after plugging, I think if no issue, I must get download mode. Automatically I get download mode, and now I can flash official firmware and get the phone working. That was the issue. I want you to show how it is fixed. It is fingerprint issue. I think you get more value from this, you learn something from this. Don't think that if you get this error, don't think it can be fixed. Don't think it can be fixed by software. You need a hardware tool to fix this. I think you can click my on subscribe if you are interested into learning new stuff. You can even join our WhatsApp group. We can also, we want to let you know that we said some MDM firmware, some solution, some tricks. That's very important. So thank you for watching our video. I think we gonna meet next time into new other videos. See you later. That was the topic of today.